What is up everybody? Welcome to another open blister review Fast and Furious series Toyota Supra. Please hit like button, it will help the channel grow. Add comment below, I will try to respond to all comments, and please subscribe if you are not already. So this is another mainline from 2013 basic assortment, one of Fast and Furious series by Hot Wheels, and this is actually a car that featured in the very first Fast and Furious series. This is the car that driven by Brian itself. So without further ado, let's open blister. Plastic base, standard mainline assortment, metal top. There are few versions of this Toyota Supra Orange. Comparison between all the available casting in the market. Have another two of Toyota Supra from another assortment, which is a basic assortment too, but a slightly different tempo. If you can see, it have a grey spoiler and some minor detail on the hood. So if you can see side by side, compare with the 2013, slightly different on the spoiler color. This is from the 2013 basic assortment without a tempo on the hood.
You have a model for me, Mrs. Kensington.
You know how Mr. Kensington feels about that.
Oh, behave. Yeah, baby.
Plastic base made in Malaysia. Grey spoiler. Some detail on the hood. As you can see, there is a difference also on the backlight and Toyota emblem. There are some of the differences between these two basic assortment. And also we have another variation from the latest Fast and Furious Garage series, few model, and one of it is the infamous Toyota Supra. This is slightly premium model than the other basic assortment. It comes with a rubber tire, metal base and metal top. You can see the livery, the tempo is also more details than the basic assortment. You can see the headlight, the hood, Toyota emblem, made in Thailand, metal base. License plate, backlight, and also Toyota emblem. Sponsorship, livery, we have Sparko, Grady, and Nito. A rubber tire with a 6-spoke rim. Yeah, very nice. If you can see the color of the body is slightly different, whereby the Garage series is slightly light in color compared with the other two basic assortment. So you can see here, this is the basic assortment, and this is slightly darker than
Yeah, baby.
Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell.